All right, so I want you to try these, and yeah, go ahead and try these and pause your video. All right, so over here we have 3x to the 1/3 equals -3. So if we're going to take the reciprocal of 1/3, that means we're going to take this whole thing and put it to the 3rd power. Just like we're going to take this whole side and put it to the 3rd power. So now these cancel each other out. I get 3x equals -3 to the 3rd power. -3 to the 3rd power is -27. And when I divide by 3, I get x equals -9. And since I'm taking the 3rd root, the cube root, I can take the cube root of a negative, so we're good here. All right, over here, we're taking this to the 1/2, so I'm going to square both sides, and I get x plus 6 equals x squared. And now let's put everything to one side, so I have x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. X minus 3 times x plus 2 equals 0. That's after I have factored it. So x equals 3 or -2. And they might both work, but I don't think so. Hopefully what you see is you're taking the square root of this and it can't equal a negative number. Okay, so -2 is extraneous. All right, inequalities. These are just exactly like what we've been doing, except for if you multiply or divide by a negative, you switch the sign. Okay, and we also have a little bit of a situation with the x value in the radicand, which I'll show you in just a second. So let's solve this. So I've got 3 over here. I need to get the radical by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I get the square root of x minus 1 is less than or equal to 4. Now I'm going to square both sides because the square undoes the square root, and I get x minus 1 is less than or equal to 8. I add 1 to both sides, and I get x is less than or equal to 9. Now here's the thing though, okay? So I'm going to write it over here. X is less than or equal to 9. Does that mean that x could be -100? No, because I can't take the square root of a negative number. So the very smallest that this x can be is 1. So it is sandwiched in between 1 and 9. Because if I put a 1 in there, then this becomes 0, and 0 is less than or equal to 12. If I put in a -1, I can't do it anymore. And we just solved it that it has to be less than x. So x is between 1 and 9. All right, that is what I have for you. I'll try not to forget to put this on Big Ideas anymore, but this was kind of a lot, but if you've got questions, just let me know.